Hey, Ed from TrolMaster going over the Hydro X that we have set up at the office. To the immediate right of the main controller is the 0 to 10 volt code third-party light adapter where you can control third-party lights. Let's take a look at the sensor cluster. It ships with a humidity, temperature, and light sensor, but you can add a CO2 sensor as well as a smoke sensor. Get those warnings on your phone. To the immediate left of the main controller is the TS1. That's a day-night set point controller for the HVAC at your house. And lastly, the daisy-chained outlets. We sell outlets in temperature, humidity, CO2, as well as recycle. We sell them in 110 as well as 220. The 220 is limited to temperature and humidity. You can run 4 temperature, 2 CO2, 2 humidity, 9 recycle outlets, all from the same controller.